Yes, some people can steal your domain, but it's not going to be easy. Not going to be easy. You can defend that you are the owner of that domain name, believe me, because I have done it before. I have done it before. One of my domain names was Vesla. All right, so this is one of my I have 50, 60 domain names in my account because I love to buy and sell domains. So one of my domain names was Vesla. And the Internet Authority, they say to me, Santi, why that domain name? Obviously, they like it because Vesla is very similar to Tesla. And obviously, I bought it because of it, because of the similarity between the two and the associated value to it. And then I say to them, yeah, that's my domain. And they say, why? I say, because Vela, without the S, is my last name. And the S itself, which is at the middle, is my name, Santi. So Vesla is Santi Vela. And they say, yeah, you're right. Don't worry, it's yours. So there are many, many different ways for you to prove that a domain name is yours. And that you have, on paper it's yours, but there is always the potentiality of a dispute. All right, so make sure that in GoDaddy, that Vesla is available. When I thought about it, I went to GoDaddy and it was available. Again, what is really important, that you also decide if your domain name is .com or .com.au. .com.au, if your market is Australia. If your market is Australia. .com, if your market is the entire globe. Now, you may say, oh, of course, so then I will go for .com. Yes, you always go for .com. However, your website, the one that people see, may have the .com.au because your market is Australia. But always, of course, try to protect the .com. That is the domain that carries more value because it's a global domain. So the exercise is simple. Go to GoDaddy or Crazy Domains or one of those and buy the domain names that are associated with that brand name that you have just selected.